AmmuCare, founded in 2003 by Mohanji in India, is a registered non-profit organization dedicated to uplifting the helpless and needy through essentials like food, shelter, medical care, and education. Since its humble beginnings distributing blankets in Delhi, AmmuCare has evolved into a movement impacting millions. Over 21 years, we have made a lasting difference through initiatives like Annadan, grocery distribution, and educational support. Today, we operate across 35 locations with over 300 volunteers. Our Act for Hunger program serves 4 categories: humans, animals, birds, and aquatic beings. We have provided over 2 million meals, including 500,000 in just last year, and supplied over 2 lakh kilograms of essential groceries. During Pitru Paksha alone, we served over 55,000 people. AmmuCare supports underprivileged children through 11 Mohanji Ka Angan centers, providing education to over 650 children and sponsoring over 100 students' educational fees in the last 2 decades. Our commitment to animal welfare is evident in Project Act Feathers, where we provide food and water for birds. Project Jal creates sustainable water points for animals and conducts regular feeding programs for dogs and cows. At AmmuCare, we care for the environment. We have organized cleanup drives and planted over 90,000 fruit-bearing trees, creating sustainable food sources for wildlife. We provide dignity and care at the Mohanji Home for Seniors, offering support to abandoned elders. Our health initiatives include blood donation camps and the distribution of thousands of hygiene kits to those in need. In Mohanpur, our Women's Skill Training Center empowers women with textile crafts. The Mohanji Skill Development Center in Delhi provides essential skills for underprivileged individuals to earn a dignified livelihood. Through Act Fast, Act Now, we have mobilized over 10,000 utility kits for those affected by calamities, offering timely support. During harsh winters, we have distributed over 80,000 blankets to those living on the streets, providing warmth and comfort. For the past several years, during the sacred Puri Rath Yatra, we have had the honor of serving Mahaprasad to over 40,000 devoted pilgrims, nourishing them on their spiritual journey. As pilgrims make their strenuous walks to Shabarimala and Sri Shailam during Yugadi, we provide them with soothing foot massages using a special oil to ease their pain and renew their strength. It's our humble way of bringing comfort to those who travel with devotion. As we celebrate AmmuCare's 21st anniversary, we are thrilled to announce the expansion of the Mohanji Home for Seniors, welcoming more residents and creating a serene space for meditation. We are also launching 2 new initiatives, a new Angan in the Sundarbans, West Bengal, bringing our centers to a total of 12, and a sustainable dog feeding project with 8 feeding points and a medical care hub in Delhi Cantonment, marking a new chapter of compassion in action. As we celebrate 21 years of service, AmmuCare remains committed to making a positive impact. Join us in our journey. Follow us on social media. To donate, visit ammucare.org or email info@ammucare.org. Become a member of Friends of AmmuCare with a donation of ₹100 to the monthly Seva Nidhi. Together, we can bring hope and make a lasting difference.